నానాజీ. నువ్వే పేరు?
నా పేరా నానాజీ.
నువ్వు నిన్ను పట్టుకుంటే నేను రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వాలా? నువ్వు ఎవరు?
సీతారాం. మైకల్ జాక్సన్. డాకు మహారాజ్. Okay, so what do you want to say about acting with Balakrishna Garu and Pragya, Shraddha, Bobby Garu? What do you want to say?
I love doing this movie with Nanaji, and Nanaji is very nice, and I love him doing with his movie, and this is my first movie it's going hit, and I love you Nanaji, and sir, and Pragya man, and all, and Bobby Deol ji also, and Urvashi Didi also. I love this film. Thank you.
Thank you. But I think today is a success meet. It's party mood. So we should dance. Okay? For the Chinni song? Kada? Dance chedama manam?
I want to call Nanaji.
You want to call Nanaji? No, actually now he is not Nanaji.